All right, now let's practice our Boolean by making a nut and a bolt. And we're going to start by making a box in the perspective view. And we'll create it by 100, width 100, and the height about 30. And then you can color it, a color that kind of looks like a bolt. And then I did zoom extends all, so it's in the middle. And then I'm going to go to the top view and create a cylinder. There we go, and drag it out. And then I'm going to come over to the front view and move it up so it sticks about halfway through. And then you can change the color if you'd like to what color you might think a bolt would look like. I don't know. All right. Then I'm going to check my sides. I think in my height segments, I'm going to go to 10 and leave my sides at 18. And now I want to apply a twist modifier. There we go. And I'm going to increase my twist. I don't want to get too many, though, because then it really doesn't look like a bolt. Okay? All right, then I want to make a copy, so I make sure that my bolt is selected. I'm going to do Edit, Clone, and make a copy. All right? All right, now I'm going to select my nut. I'm going to go to Create, Compound Objects, Boolean, because I want to cut a hole in my nut with a bolt. I'm going to do Pick Operand B, and then I'm going to pick the bolt. Okay? Now remember, it may not look like something happened, but you've got a copy. So let's go ahead and zoom out, and let's move this bolt out of the way and make sure there is a hole there. All right? Oops. See, there is a perfect hole. Okay, so what you want to do now is I want to apply a top to my bolt, and I'm going to do that by doing Create, Standard, and I'm going to use a cylinder again. You could use a box if you wanted to, and make it just a little bit larger. And then I'm going to raise it up in this view. See how it fits on top? And then I want to cut a slit in the top, just like you would use a screwdriver with. So I'm going to use a box, and I'm going to drag out my box. There we go. And then I'm going to do Create, Compound Objects, Boolean, Pick Operand B. Remember, if it doesn't work the way you want, always go to the other one. And then what I want you to do now is I want you to use a Boolean to join this one and this one. Remember always to click off a Boolean before you come back. And then I'm going to do this as a union, and I'm going to pick the bolt. So now those are apart. Now, using your Animate button, see if you can have the bolt screw down into the nut and screw back up. Okay, I'll give you a hint. You're going to turn on Auto Key. Set a key, and you're going to move it all the way to 100, and you're going to use your rotate key, and you're going to rotate this 360 degrees and hit a key. All right, see how you can do.